Most men, when they have this problem, they feel anxious, depressed. I certainly was all of those things. Sorry for their partner because they're not getting what their needs met either, and you barely are, if ever, as well. So it's a lot to think about. Hi, I'm Mark DeMassa in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm a cosmetologist. I think it was about 15, 18 years ago, I started having ED problems, which is typical for that age, or early to mid-40s. And I started off with the usual, Viagra, Cialis, none of which really did a lot for me. And I used those for about 2 or 3 years. And then finally I started seeking out other therapies. And I started seeking out and investigating myself about getting an implant. And it took me a couple years to come around to this decision that was really where I needed to go. It was really my last hope because I had been through every ED treatment available, and all of them were failing at this point. My marriage, I've been with my husband for 26 years at that point, and we were seriously talking about separating. So I made an appointment with Dr. Kapadia, and excellent bedside manner. He's very attentive, very concerned about what your needs are, what your questions are, very forthcoming with information. I think it's very important to ask a lot of questions, and don't feel like you're hounding the doctor, because this is a very intimate and personal thing, and you need to feel completely comfortable with who is doing your surgery. Dr. Kapadia was always running on time. Everybody was very available if I had any questions. I had a great result, had very little pain. I would say within 4 weeks I was pretty much fully recovered. The first time post-op was 4 weeks in, and I woke up one morning and I just couldn't wait any longer. So I pumped myself up and woke my husband up and surprised him, and he was very pleasantly surprised. We're in a completely monogamous relationship, but we have sex 5 to 6 times a week. Sometimes it's every day of the week, and it's successful every time. Some people are concerned that they can't orgasm. I actually find that my sensation now is better than when I was 18 or 20 years old. Don't wait. Don't put it off. Seek it out. It's not for everybody, I'm sure. But I think it's very important to have an active sex life. We want to live a full life, and I think everybody should. And my only regret now is that I didn't pursue it sooner. It's changed my life.